Hi, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you've had an injury and need to stay active, or maybe you just want to stay active in your office, the Flex Cycle is a great option. This is a desk bike.
So this portable desk bike makes it super easy to exercise your arms and legs. It comes with 2 different types of pedals. Here I'm using the arm pedals to get an arm workout. It has a nice display which displays 8 different options. For instance, calories, speed, and distance as well. It's well built, it's very sturdy, but at the same time, it's not too heavy. So it is easy to move around because it is a portable desk bike. It has a great handle, which makes it easy to lift. So not only does it sit on your desk, it can sit under your desk as well, as you can work out your legs and get a nice workout there. So by attaching the resistance bands that the bike comes with to the base, you can get an excellent workout for your arms, targeting different areas as well.
So if you're looking for a creative way to stay active inside your home or inside your office, definitely check out the Flex Cycle. I think it's an excellent option. I love it, and that's my point of view.